Hello everyone, today on Meals by Mary we're making a simple avocado, tomato and cucumber salad with a twist. We'll be adding mozzarella pearls and the freshness of basil which will take it to the next level. In summer, I really enjoy making salads so I can forget about the oven for a while, and this one is just perfect for hot weather. So without further ado, let's get started. First, take one cucumber, cut it lengthwise, then dice. We want it to be more on the bigger size, just like I'm doing in the video. Next, I'll be using 2 avocados. Mine are a bit overripe, so I'll be extra careful with peeling and cutting them. As usual, cut around the avocado, twist to remove the pit with a knife. This time, I'll cut the avocado, then take out the shell, only because it is overripe, so I don't want to mash it while I'm preparing it. I do recommend adding some lemon to your avocado so it doesn't brown while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. I'll cut it to cubes, then add it to our veggie bowl. Now to that, add 1 cup of cherry tomato, cut in half. You can leave it as is if your cherry tomato is smaller, but mine need to be cut in half. Then some fresh basil. To chop them, place the leaves on top of each other, like stack them, roll them up tightly, and then slice them into thin strips. I'm using about 1/4 cup. I did not really measure it, you can just eyeball it. Add all your veggies in a bowl, then add your mozzarella pearls. You can use from 1/2 cup to 1 cup. For me, I only added 1/2 cup. Now for the dressing. It is simple with only 3 ingredients plus salt and pepper. You will need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all well. You will definitely find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Now pour the dressing over your salad. I almost forgot to add one more ingredient, about 1/2 cup of black olives that has been already pitted and sliced. I totally forgot to add it earlier. I love how olives pair with mozzarella. It is such a good combo. Now look at this salad. Look how colorful it is. It is super perfect for summer. I absolutely love it. And that is it. This salad is super quick and simple. You really should give it a try. The freshness of basil, the creaminess of avocado, the mozzarella, the olives, all the flavors just complement each other perfectly. If you love salads like me, like this video and leave a comment down below. I also have a playlist just for salads that you should definitely check out. I upload 2 new recipes every week, so don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.